Thinking about buying a robot vacuum? Hold on, because there are 3 things you absolutely need to know before you spend your money. First, suction power matters, but don't get fooled by marketing terms. While some premium models boast extreme power, for most homes, look for models with at least 2,000 pascals if you have carpets. For hard floors, 1,500 pascals is usually perfectly fine to pick up everyday dust and debris. Remember, a good brush design is just as important as the raw numbers. Second, navigation systems make or break the experience. Basic models use random movement, leaving you with missed spots and frustrating reruns. Smarter ones, on the other hand, use advanced tech like LiDAR, which maps your home precisely using lasers, even in the dark, or mapping cameras to clean efficiently and intelligently avoid obstacles like pet toys or charging cables. Third, battery life and dustbin capacity are key. Imagine your robot dying halfway through the living room, or needing to be emptied after every single clean. Cheaper models often fall short here. Aim for at least 90 minutes of runtime and a dustbin of at least 400 milliliters for a hassle-free experience. Bonus tip: want true hands-off cleaning? Features like automatic emptying into a larger base station or integrated mopping can save you a ton of time every week, but be ready to pay a bit more for that ultimate convenience. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more bite-sized buying guides and check out our top robot vacuum picks in the description below. One of them might be perfect for your home.